So the Clio had an advisory on the last MOT saying that there was insufficient pressure coming out the washers. So under the bonnet, basically where the washer hose comes up, I followed it along into one of the jets. What I found basically was the hose pipe had completely deteriorated, so all the washer fluid was basically just going out of that. Some of it was going onto the windscreen, but pretty much none at all. So what I've had to do temporarily is just cut that one off, cable tie that one over so it's sealed, so we're getting washer squirty out to the far side. As you can see, it's just connected over there still, but obviously what we need to do is repair this, get a coupler on here and get a new bit of hose. So fast forward, and now we've got our new hose. You can see we've got some couple of bits in there, some wide pieces and some straight throughs. So all we need to do now is just basically get a coupler on here, cut off a length, just enough to replace from here to the jet, and we should be good. So let's get that out and let's get it cut. And in actual fact, what I'm going to do, because this bit's so brittle, I'm actually going to take it all the way back to here where there is a coupler, where there's kind of this wide piece anyway. So I'm just going to take it all the way off of there. You can see it feels sticky, it feels kind of that tacky, horrible rubber, where it starts to kind of deteriorate. So you can see, there we go, they come off pretty easily. So I just cut a longer bit of hose just to go from there direct to the jet, and that should be good. Okay, so very simply, that's going to go on there, or that's going to go on there, and that's going to go on there. Okay, brilliant. So there we go. So we've got a nice new bit of hose in there. So let's get the ignition on and give them a go. Okay, so in the car, ignition on. There we go. And let's give these a go. There we go, fantastic, brilliant. So there we go, another really quick, easy fix just to get over that MOT advisory of lack of pressure coming out their squirters. If yours is the same and you're not getting very much coming out, you know, it's just dribbling out the end of the jet a little bit, it could be that you've got a split in your hose as well. So very simply, a new pack of hose, something like that. I've got it straight off of, what was it, eBay, something like that, a couple of quid, and all sorted. So thanks very much for watching, really appreciate taking the time. Remember to hit subscribe, come up, heading now, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.